Good morning, Commandant sir. I am Rohan Vivek Kurekar, cadet of Standard 11. Today, I would like to present a lecturette on New Education Policy is Good for Youth of India, which is the most discussed, debatable and important topic in the present time. Common people and students would definitely think that it is not fair to change the education policy at an instance. But it is a well-planned policy. The new education policy announced by the Modi government 2020 has several major reforms. PM Modi stated that the new education policy would transform the lives of millions. Basically, national education policy is a comprehensive framework for the development of education in India. Till now, India has witnessed three national education policies. The first in 1968, following the second in 1986, and the third proposed now. The new national education policy proposes sweeping changes including opening up of Indian higher education to foreign universities, dismantling of UGC, AICTE, and several other reforms. In school education, the policy focuses on the syllabus to retain core essentials, experimental and critical thinking. The national education policy pitches for a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 design. The national education policy says that students until standard 5 should be taught in their mother tongue. All colleges and universities must aim to become multidisciplinary by 2040. Awareness about the policy must be done by the government. The exams conducted would be knowledge oriented. The new national education policy would benefit the students with excellent skills and potential in them. The new national education policy would be effective in incubing various skills in the students. Government has set up a target of 2040 for the implementation of the entire policy. Education is a concurrent subject. Teachers would be encouraged to use a bilingual approach. Under the 4 years bachelor's program, the new national education policy states that a student can exit after 1 year with a certificate, after 2 years with a diploma, and after 3 years with a bachelor's degree. There would be no junior colleges. Class 11th and 12th would be considered in school. Age groups 3 to 8 would be considered foundational stage, 8 to 11 the preparatory stage, 11 to 14 the middle stage, and 14 to 18 the secondary stage. In my opinion, the new national education policy would change the face of education in India. Change is inevitable. We have to accept it. But there should have been a mention or stoppage of corruption in the education sector in India. With the coming of new national education policy, students would develop a scientific temper from a younger age. Students' practical thinking would be given more importance than rote learning. Indian students would be at par the global standards. These all will promote value-based education. So, in a nutshell, India is progressing towards being a developed country. Jai Hind.